Here I have GIONEE M7 Power, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the phone's dialer and let's use the first secret code. So let's insert here asterisk pound 4636 pound asterisk, and the Android testing menu just pops up. Here you can choose phone information. When you can read IMEI number, phone number, current network, you can run a ping test or use other stuff. Let's go back. Here you can also open user statistics. Here you've got the list of all apps from your device and you can read the last time used or usage time. Let's go back. Here you can also check Wi-Fi information. So here you can select Wi-Fi API to disable network, disconnect network, enable network, get configured networks, or get connection info. You can also select here Wi-Fi config and see configured networks from your device. Let's go back. Let's choose Wi-Fi status. Here you can refresh all stats or run a ping test. Use back key again. And now let me just quit the Android testing menu and let's enter the calendar info. So we need to use the asterisk pound 225 pound asterisk, and as you can see, calendar info just pops up. Let's go back again. Let's enter here the Google Play service. So we need to use asterisk pound 426 pound asterisk, and the Google Play services just pops up. Here you can use ping, connect, disconnect, or events. You can also use the next trick. So let me open the Google setup, the debug UI. So let's use asterisk pound 759 pound asterisk. The debug UI just pops up. Here you can change IEM mode or view clients IDs. At the end, let me show you how to enter the IMEI mode. So let's use the asterisk pound 06 pound, and IMEI mode just pops up. So that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.